In this video, we're going to give you 5 reasons why AI can help you fix your credit report.
That's right, you can fix your credit to fund your dreams. Stick around to the end of this video so you can get one step closer to buying that dream house or that dream car that you've always wanted.
That's right, Marvin. Let's jump right into reason number 1. AI can determine your negative items in under 1 minute. Did you know that you don't have to spend 15 minutes fumbling through a credit report when AI can do it all right here for you?
You know, going through 3 different credit reports and all that paperwork can be overwhelming. Now you can use AI right on your cell phone to determine your negative items. AI can read a credit report way faster than a human can. Hold on one second, guys. We'll get right back to the video. For everyone that leaves a comment below, we're going to send you a free digital copy of The Psychology of Credit. All right, let's go back to the video.
Reason number 2, AI is more reliable than a credit repair company. Now you don't have to waste time hiring a credit repair company when AI can do all the work for you.
And you don't have to worry about calling the credit repair company's customer service or wondering, did they mail my letters? Did they dispute my inquiries? Now you can take your power back and do your credit by yourself.
Now you have a credit expert, Marvin, right at your fingertips. Now we know identity theft is on the rise. Now you don't have to worry about giving out your personal information. You don't have to worry about anyone stealing your information. You have AI right at your fingertip.
Stick around to the end of the video. Number 5 will empower you even more to use AI instead of a credit repair company.
Reason number 3. The dispute reasons are already suggested for you. You don't have to worry about what dispute reasons should I use. Is this going to remove it from my credit report? How do I write the letter? How do I get started?
Although there are no guarantees, wouldn't you rather a suggested reason that has removed thousands of negative items? I know I would.
I remember, Marvin, a long time ago when I had bad credit and I could not figure out what reason I should dispute an item for. But guess what? AI takes care of all of that for you.
And there's so many choices of reasons. Wouldn't you rather have AI pick the reason for you?
And Marvin, that would be based off of past dispute reasons, correct?
Correct.
Reason number 4, AI is going to create a unique dispute letter every single time. So you don't have to worry. AI is going to come up with a unique dispute letter.
Ever since COVID, the internet has been flooded with template letters. The 609, the 611, Metro 2, all of these things, right? Wouldn't you rather have a letter that's unique to your situation, your collection, your past due, whatever it is? Now, don't worry about trying to figure out how to determine which blank to fill in on a dispute letter. AI is going to determine a letter just for your situation.
Okay, so Marvin, you're saying that each time I go to dispute, AI is going to generate a unique letter just based off of my credit report?
Yes, because you know the credit bureaus has software that can detect duplicate letters. So if you send in a letter that's been sent in thousands of times, the exact same sentence, the exact same words, guess what? Your letter is going to get thrown right in the garbage. You don't want that. You want an effective letter sent out every dispute round to help you delete those negative items.
Now, let's reveal this amazing software that has AI writing your letters for you.
The name of the software is Luxury Credit Hacks. You can find the link in the description below.
Also, you may want to check out one of our other videos that walks you right through this amazing software.
Hey, we're going to get right back to the video. But do you know the number 1 reason that businesses fail is lack of capital? So Glory and I created Luxury Credit Secrets, which teaches you a system of how to continually raise capital. If you want a free business strategy call, look for the link in the description below and set an appointment and we'll see you there. Now let's get back to the video.
Number 5, AI will remind you when to mail your dispute letters. You don't have to worry about, did I mail my letters already? AI is going to send you a unique email that's going to let you know when to mail your letters.
The wonderful thing about the software, after you send out each round, all you have to do is go back in the software and mark it as sent. And now the software is set to remind you every 40 days.
This amazing software will also let you know if your score has gone up. Has there been any changes to your credit report? This software will let you know and it'll come right to your email. Not only will it send you an email, it'll also let you know if your score has gone up, if your score has gone down. Has there been any changes to your credit report? Hold up. Guys, don't leave. This software also has amazing coaching and tutorial videos that'll help you improve your credit.
Because it's not only important to delete negative items, but it's also super important to improve your credit score. Make sure if you don't have any credit, you get a secure card. Hey guys, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.